Hello and welcome to my channel, Boo, Snakes, and More. Today we're going to be talking about dinosaurs. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also watch my other house channel, A&A Snakes and Stuff. My youngest son's channel, Henny's Toys and Games. My oldest son's channel, Little Chris 10. Now let's dive into the video. Scientists identified a new species of Tyrannosaurus that's likely a predecessor to T-Rex. The new species shows the dinosaurs got bigger a lot earlier than scientists originally thought. It also supports the theory that T-Rex originated in North America, not Asia. Scientists recently identified a new dinosaur species that could be the closest relative to T-Rex ever found. Named T. miraculous, the new dinosaur suggests that Tyrannosaurus grew to enormous sizes millions of years earlier than experts previously thought. A new discovery from old bones. Interestingly, the discovery comes from a fossilized skull and jawbone that was dug up more than 40 years ago in New Mexico. For decades, the bones were thought to belong to a T-Rex, but a team of researchers decided to take a closer look when another fossil tipped them off. They found that a Triceratops sample from the same area was older than originally thought. This made the researchers wonder about the Tyrannosaurus sample's age. Nick Longrich, a pathologist and evolutionary biologist from the University of Bath, who led the study, told Business Insider in an email, "We realized that the traditional assumptions about the ages of these fossils were probably wrong," Longrich wrote. Upon re-examination, the scientists found that the bones belonged to a dinosaur that lived 6 million to 7 million years before T-Rex existed. Moreover, the fossils had a few key differences from a typical T-Rex that ultimately led Longrich and his team to conclude that they belong to a new species. For example, the skull lacked ridges behind its eyes, a distinct feature of T-Rex, and the jawbone revealed a shallower, lower jaw than the T-Rex. Spencer Locust, a pathologist on the project, told NBR. The researchers published their findings in the peer-reviewed journal Scientific Reports. How Tyrannosaurus got so big. It's tough to estimate how big T. miraculous was simply from the skull and jawbone, but it was probably comparable in size to a T-Rex, measuring about 40 feet long, Longrich said, or about the length of a U.S. school bus. That means that Tyrannosaurus also got bigger a lot earlier than we thought, Longrich said. He added that placing the T. miraculous fossils at this particular time in ancient history could help explain the dinosaur's massive size. Around the Campanian period of the late Cretaceous epoch between 83 million to 72 million years ago, plant-eating dinosaurs like Hortorosaurus were getting larger. To prey on these animals, the Tyrannosaurus family had to grow bigger too.
I might need a bowl for these. I'm going to
Just take a handful, you're fine. These evolutionary pressures would have contributed to the T-Rex's massive size, Longridge said. Despite what scientists thought, the T-Rex wasn't the first Tyrannosaurus, but the last, Longridge said. North America versus Asia. As famous as T-Rex is, little is understood about its origins. Scientists disagree about whether T-Rex originated in North America or Asia. But the researchers' new analysis may offer more clues on the matter. Because T-Rex's fossils were discovered in New Mexico and are the first known ancestor of the T-Rex. This supports the idea that T-Rex originated in North America, not Asia, Longridge said. It's interesting that there are still new things to learn about an animal as seemingly well known as T-Rex, he said. There's a lot left to discover. Thank you for watching this video and peace out till the next one.